This video is going to be how to draw an Easter basket. Okay, so get your sketchbook or your small quarter-size sheet of paper. Do not draw big. These videos, you're learning how to draw lines and shapes, so it's a lot easier to draw small on a quarter-size sheet of paper. Alright, so first step that we're going to do with this basket, we're going to draw right here at the bottom third of your paper. We're going to draw a smiley face, just like that. Okay? Next step you're going to do is you're going to draw a parallel line right above this smiley face. Try to make it even, just like that. Two lines, smiley faces. The next step we are going to do is we're going to close the parallel lines with a C on this side and a backwards letter C on this side. Alright, the next step we are going to do, you're going to get to this end of the basket. We're not going to go straight down. We're going to go in just a little bit. So I'm going to go a straight line going down inside just a little bit. Not straight, but going diagonal just a little bit. And you can do the same thing on this side of the basket. I am not going to go straight down. I'm going to go in just a little bit. Okay? Now, the basket is sitting on some grass. So I'm going to make an upside down letter V, another upside down letter V, and go out. Okay, same on this side. Upside down letter V, which is zigzag lines. Another letter V or a W or an M. I'm going to go out, so that represents some grass. Alright, the bottom of the basket, you can continue going down, maybe make a letter upside down V, just to show some grass, but we're doing a smiley face down here. Okay, so the basket is sitting on some grass. The next step we are going to do is the eggs. So, I am going to go on this side of the basket. I'm going to draw the first shape, which is like an oval. It's not a circle. So I'm going to do a elongated oval, and I'm going to connect and go down right to the middle of the basket. Alright, so there's going to be another second egg. The second egg is behind this first egg. So what I'm going to do is put my pencil right in the middle of this egg, and I'm going to go to this right side, and I'm going to make an oval shape, and then connect to the basket like that. So now this egg looks like it's behind this egg. And so you see there is a third egg. The third egg is going to be behind these two. So I'm going to put my pencil right here, make an oval shape or an upside down U, and then connect to the second egg. And now this egg looks like it is behind all three of the eggs. Okay, the next step we're going to do, let's put a little grass inside the basket, like that. So these are some little upside down V's or W's or M's. A little bit of grass coming out of the basket on each side. Next step, we are going to do the bow. So right up here at the top of your paper, you're going to draw a square. Just like that. Okay? Now, next step, you're going to get to this corner of the square, and you're going to go up and have a little arch like that. Same on this side. Up and out, just like that. Alright? Next step, you go to the bottom of this corner of the square, and you're going to make an oval. Just like that. Same on this side. Make an oval on this corner of the square. And now we are going to connect this top of the line to this oval with an arch shape, like a letter C kind of, there. And let's do it this way, backwards letter C, like that. Alright, there are some creases inside the bow, so two lines going like that. Two lines going like that, and that is your crease. Alright, now the ribbon part of the bow, straight line going down, upside down letter V, straight line going up. Do another one, straight line going down, upside down letter V, straight line going up. Alright, and now the handles of the basket. Put your pencil right in the middle of this bow. Go down like that. Connect to the egg. And then a parallel line. Connect to the egg. Same on this side. Put your pencil right in the middle of the bow. Go down. Connect to the egg. Parallel line. Go down. Connect to the egg. Alright, and the last part is the detail of the basket. we're going to draw a line that is parallel to this smiley face. Another one under it. Smiley face. Okay. And then we're going to draw a line right here. Leave some space. Second line. And then right in the middle of this two lines, you draw one line going down here. And then a line going here, which is equal to this right here. And a line here. And the last step, on the rim of the basket, we're going to do some little diagonal lines just like that. And there is your Easter egg basket. So now you decorate your eggs however you want. Some circles. You can do some zigzag lines, which is a letter M, like that. Or you could just do some stripes. But you decorate your eggs however you want. Get your colored pencils or your crayons and have fun coloring your Easter egg basket.